AI isn't just changing the world. It's already running it, but not in the ways you might expect. While most people focus on chatbots, smart assistants, and viral deepfakes, there's another layer of AI at work. Hidden, powerful systems that operate silently behind governments, financial empires, national security, and even global narratives. These aren't the flashy tools you see on social media. They're the invisible architects of real-world decision-making, wielding influence on a scale few truly understand. In this video, we'll reveal the AI tools that are secretly running the world. From OpenAI's large language models shaping knowledge and communication, to BlackRock's Aladdin system quietly managing trillions in global assets. We'll expose the algorithms steering economy, surveillance, and policy, often without public oversight. Get ready. These aren't sci-fi robots. They're already here and already in charge. 1. OpenAI, the language engine behind modern thought. Let's start with one of the most visible, yet misunderstood, AI forces. OpenAI, what began as a research lab, has now become the backbone of modern digital knowledge. With tools like ChatGPT, Codex, and DALL-E, OpenAI systems are generating text, code, images, strategy, and content at scale. But what few realize is just how widely these models are now embedded. Businesses are building workflows on top of OpenAI's APIs. Universities are using GPT to automate grading, analysis, and tutoring. Governments are consulting models for simulations and policy projections. Major tech platforms, including Microsoft, are integrating these tools into search engines, emails, and office software. That means OpenAI is shaping how we communicate, research, learn, and even think. Every query answered, every paragraph rewritten by GPT adds another layer of influence. The danger? These models are trained on biased internet data, making them powerful, but not neutral. OpenAI isn't just a chatbot company. It's becoming the brain of the internet. 2. Palantir, the eyes and brain of governments. If OpenAI speaks, Palantir sees and watches. Founded in 2003 with backing from the CIA's venture capital firm, Palantir Technologies builds data integration platforms for the military, intelligence agencies, law enforcement, and global corporations. Its core platforms, Gotham and Foundry, allow users to process and visualize massive, disparate datasets in real time. Palantir's tools help predict terrorist attacks, manage battlefield logistics, track pandemics, and support covert operations. Governments across the US, UK, and Europe rely on it for internal surveillance, immigration analytics, and crisis modeling. The company famously aided in the capture of Osama bin Laden and continues to offer its systems to defense contractors, spy agencies, and police departments. While marketed as a tool for insight, Palantir's AI is essentially the digital nervous system of surveillance states. It doesn't just monitor reality, it models it, forecasts it, and influences decisions about who gets arrested, flagged, or funded. To many, it's one of the most powerful and opaque companies in the world. 3. BlackRock's Aladdin, the AI running the world's money. If Palantir handles data and OpenAI handles language, Aladdin handles money, a lot of it, built by BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm. The Aladdin platform, asset liability, debt, and derivative investment network oversees more than $20 trillion in global assets. That's more than the GDP of the United States. Aladdin uses AI to assess risk, optimize portfolios, analyze market volatility, and simulate macroeconomic events. It can predict how global conflicts, interest rate changes, or political shifts might affect markets, and then make automated recommendations. When banks, governments, and pension funds rely on a single AI engine to manage global capital, it raises massive concerns. What happens when one algorithm's assumptions influence investment decisions for half the financial world? Aladdin is quiet, invisible to the public, and yet it's one of the most consequential AI systems ever built. It's not just watching markets, it's quietly steering them. 4. Clearview AI, the AI that remembers every face. Clearview AI scraped over 30 billion images from social media and public websites to build its facial recognition engine. It claims to identify anyone in the world in seconds from a single photo. Police departments in the US, Europe, and even authoritarian states have used Clearview's technology. The tool is so powerful that it's been banned or investigated in multiple countries, yet adoption continues in the shadows. Clearview doesn't need you to upload anything. If you've ever posted a selfie online, chances are you're already in its database. And once your face is recognized, your location, connections, and history can be mapped. While marketed as a crime-fighting tool, critics argue it's a surveillance weapon in disguise, capable of erasing anonymity in public spaces. 5. Sage, the AI behind UK public policy. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the UK government relied on AI-driven forecasting tools provided by the Scientific Advisory Group for Emergencies, SAGE. This platform used machine learning to predict infection spread, hospital needs, and behavioral responses. SAGE models shape lockdowns, economic support decisions, and vaccination strategies. But critics argue that data quality and AI assumptions were not transparent, leaving the public in the dark about how decisions were made. It's a prime example of AI directly influencing policy at the highest level, with minimal public understanding of how those models work or how accurate they really are. 6. Google DeepMind, the AI that solved biology. Google's DeepMind isn't just playing chess anymore. Its AlphaFold 2 systems solve one of biology's grandest challenges: protein folding. By accurately predicting the 3D structure of over 200 million proteins, DeepMind unlocked new doors in medicine, agriculture, and synthetic biology. Pharmaceutical companies are now using AlphaFold data to design new drugs, faster and more precisely than ever before. But the implications go beyond healthcare. In the wrong hands, this technology could be used to engineer harmful biological agents or patent life-essential compounds. DeepMind's algorithms have mapped biology at the deepest level, and in doing so, they've quietly restructured biotech forever. 7. TikTok's algorithm, the culture engine. TikTok's recommendation engine isn't just addictive, it's culturally directive. Its AI-driven content feed studies user attention, behavior, and emotional response in real time. Within minutes, it crafts a hyper-personalized stream that locks you into a psychological loop. But more importantly, it shapes global tastes, trends, political views, and even elections. Researchers worry the Chinese-owned platform's algorithm could push or suppress narratives based on geopolitical interests. It's not just showing funny videos. It's building belief systems, especially among younger users. While other platforms use algorithms, TikTok's is one of the most surgically optimized persuasion machines in existence, deciding what a billion people see, feel, and believe every day. 8. Amazon's AI, the invisible logistics empire. Amazon isn't just an online store. It's a logistics empire run by algorithms. Its AI manages inventory, delivery routes, customer behavior prediction, product pricing, warehouse robotics, and even worker schedules. Every package you receive has passed through dozens of automated decisions powered by AI. What's less known is how this intelligence affects labor rights, small businesses, and global supply chains. Workers have reported being tracked and terminated by AI-driven performance metrics. Sellers face pricing wars against Amazon's algorithmic adjustments. It's a machine so massive, it's difficult to regulate, because even Amazon admits it doesn't fully understand how some of its automated systems evolve over time. 9. Baidu Ernie and China's censorship AI. Baidu's Ernie bot and other Chinese large language models are state-aligned AI tools designed to assist citizens while maintaining strict censorship and surveillance. Unlike OpenAI's GPT models, Ernie is trained on pre-filtered content, meaning it refuses to discuss banned topics, political events, or anything against party lines. But it's still used in schools, newsrooms, and corporate environments, essentially baking state ideology into daily use. This creates a parallel digital universe where AI enforces ideological conformity, silently, efficiently, and without needing human censors. 10. Shadow AI systems you've never heard of. Finally, the most dangerous AI tools may be the ones we don't even know exist. Private LLMs used by defense contractors, covert surveillance models, or AI decision engines embedded in trading floors or intelligence units. These systems are often proprietary, unregulated, and classified. They influence economic strategy, national security, and geopolitical conflict beyond the public's view. As AI moves deeper into closed systems, power becomes centralized among a small elite who control the data, the code, and the narrative. Conclusion: the age of invisible power. Most people still think of AI as helpful assistants or science fiction threats. But in truth, AI has already infiltrated the back end of human civilization. It's deciding what we see, what we buy, what we believe, and even how nations behave. From OpenAI to Palantir, Aladdin to DeepMind, these tools are not just supporting human decision-making. They are shaping it. Silently, constantly, invisibly. Speech balloon, which of these AI systems surprised you the most? Do you think we need more regulation or more awareness? Bell, like, comment, and subscribe for more investigative deep dives into AI, power, and the future of our world. Because the real rulers of tomorrow might not be human at all.